look like rain, and 1,000 angels fly. It must have looked like rain, but 1,000 angels ngayon po, magpuplo na po tayo ng candle. Lahat po ay kakanta ng... Sorry. Kakanta po tayo ng Happy Birthday. Pagkatapos po, ipag-pray po ni Ma'am Love Pailan yung food. Okay, meron pang magpapipicture.